Okay, students, welcome back to the course of simplest numerology. We are going to understand everything about what numerology is, what are the fundamentals of it, the different parts of it, different types of it. And from there, you understood also as to what are the different materials that you need for numerology or a numerological assessment. That is, you need birth date and you need a name. Right? So we already understood what a life path number is. We took the example of a car. So life path number is the engine of that car. Birthday number is the paint of that car. How it looks from outside, right? So now we come to understand what are name numbers. We're going to use your name to find some numbers, right? So every name is a sound. Let's say Ajay. Ajay has a sound. Let's say Amir. Amir has a sound. Let's say any other names, Anaya, Ashaya, all of those names, Karishma, Karina, Katrina, everything has a sound, and each sound is a vibration, right? And this vibration has a numerical pattern, and this numerical pattern has a behavior pattern. So you take all the names and you use the same principles. So when you're using the same rules for all the different names, now you get to compare different names through different patterns. That's the whole logic. You use the same set of rules to everything, to all different names. So with that, you can find a pattern, right? So now we know exactly why name numbers are required. What is the logic behind name numbers? That's name is a sound and sound is a vibration, and vibration has a numerical pattern, right? And that numerical pattern also decides the behavior pattern. So one thing that you need to understand very importantly is nothing is random. Your name is not random. Your location of birth is not random. What you eat today, what you eat tomorrow is not random. The people you speak to in this world is not random. The people you meet, the people you get married to is not random. Nothing is random. Everything happens for a certain reason, and that is where things like numerology really work. That's why they work, right? So now, very importantly, let's try and understand what an expression number is, right? It shows your natural talents, skills, and capabilities. Basically, what you're built to. Let's say you are a car, so the features of a car, right? What is that car built to do? Is it a 4x4? That is it built to climb a mountain? Or is it done for a highway? Or is it a very simple car for the city, right? So that expression number tells you what your natural talents are. Can you drive it in the river or something like that, right? So let's say expression testing number is the features of a car, the talent, the abilities, the skills of that car. Okay. Right. So very importantly, we've done life path number, we've done birthday number, we are doing expression number, and then we will do the other two numbers as well. Okay. So once again, why names are vibration? A name is a sound. Ajay, Amit, Deepak, they're all sounds. And each sound is a vibration. And a vibration is equal to a new number pattern, right? And a number pattern is equal to natural abilities. In one sentence, you have your name creates a vibration that reveals what you are naturally good at. Your name has a vibration and it creates a unique version of you, of a unique version of that vibration that reveals what you're naturally good at, right? So let's see the Pythagorean alphabet mapping. Now we are heading towards using a name. So K to Z, that is A to Z, right? So A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, E is 5, G is 7, H is equal to 8, I is 9, J is 1, K is 2, L 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then again it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 8, it's 27. Oh, sorry, it's 26. So you have 26 characters as far as I know. And now I'm confused. Okay, so you assign each number to a character. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, E is 5. And once you're done with 9, you again start at 1 as a cycle, and then you go again till 9. And then you start at 1 and again go till 8. Okay. So now that you know what is the character to number mapping, right? The first and foremost thing that we will do is find that expression number. How do we calculate it? We will calculate it by we will convert your full name first to numbers. Let's say my name is Amit. So A is 1, right? M is 4, so that's 1, and then 4. I, let's say what is that? I is 9. T is 2. So your name is now 1492. So you need the full name. So let's say it is Amit. First name Amit, second name Amit, and last name Amit, right? So that is easy for us to calculate. So the name that we are using here is Amit. No Amit Sharma, Amit Verma. This is Amit. First name, middle name, last name, right? First, middle, and last name. So it's now 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 9 is 14, 14 plus 2 is 16, 6 plus 9 is 7. So now you have 7, 7, 7. So you have 21, which ends up at 3. So your expression number becomes 3. All you need to do is convert your full name to numbers, right? Full name to number is going to be your character A becomes 1. Similarly, let's go back to this. J becomes 1, right? So you assign a value. And once you do that, add each name separately. That is the first name, middle name, last name, and reduce each name to 1 digit. So we reduced it to 21, and then 2 plus 1 as 3, right? So you either reduce it to 3, or if that number adds up to 11, 22 or 33, which is a master number, you just let it be. If it is adding up to 11, then you let it be. If it's adding up to 22, don't reduce it. If it's adding up to 33, do not reduce it, right? Add the name totals and reduce to 1 digit or the master number. And once you have the final, that is either 3 or these digits, 1 single digit, then you can go ahead and use the same exact thing. For example, 4 is structure and planning. Baba Ramdev represents number 4 in our case. He's structured, he's hardworking, he plans everything, and he builds ventures. So it's the same thing. He has the talent and planning, talent for structure and planning. So we are doing our expression number that shows your talents, right? So let's say 8. 8 we said was for Lal Bahadur Shastri, right? So talent for management, like Lal Bahadur Shastri was full of authority, leadership, so he had talent for management. So you can actually use the same that was there for life path number, but here you say this person has the talent for that specific characteristic or that specific property, right? Talent for humanitarian impact, number 9. So I think this was Albert Einstein. Let's see if I have got it again. Hold on, yeah. So Albert Einstein was number 33. So number 9 was Mahatma Gandhi and Mukesh Ambani. They have a broad vision, humanitarian, emotional depth, and global contribution, right? This is number 9. So going back to number 9 over here is again humanitarian. Mahatma Gandhi, number 9. You have talent for humanitarian impact. Mukesh Ambani included. He's doing a lot of good things for the universe, right? So this is expression number. Okay. Now you can mix both expression number and like part number, which right now you do not need to do, but I'm just showing you. So once you learn all the different numbers, I would suggest to combine all of them and then create a report for a person, right? In this case, let's say life path is 8, expression number is 6, right? Internally, this person is very powerful, and externally, he is very caring and responsible. The perfect individual that you need. A person who's internally very powerful, and externally, he is going to feel like he's a very good, caring, and responsible person, right? So a strong but protective personality, something that everybody dreams for. Next, life path 7 plus expression number 3. Life path 7 is a Shah Rukh Khan, right? So like 3, I think we'll have to go back and find who that is. 7 is a deep thinker. Expression 3 is communicates ideas creatively. It's about communication. So the thoughtful communicator. Somebody who has life path 7 and expression 3 is going to be a thoughtful communicator. You do not need to use the same exact definition. You're not here to use the same words to say the same exact things. No astrology, no numerology works that way. All you need to know is the energy that thing holds, right? So that is why I keep suggesting, go back to this chart. This chart gives you the life path of everybody, right? The life path number. So use this because life path is the strongest. For expression, use number 8 as something who is into authority, discipline, achievement driven. So he has a talent for management of all of these, right? Number 9, he has a talent for humanity. So use the same chart and use this same chart for every single number, and you would still have a very unique personality, because usually most people don't have the same life path, same birthday number, same name number, and all expression numbers and all of those things, right? So now we just saw an example of life path 7 and expression number 3. Okay, so in the next chapter, let's try and understand what is the soul origin number. Okay.